All right, how to check your power steering fluid. Well, first you got to open the hood, of course. And you're going to get in here, and it's usually on the driver's side, okay, and your pump's right there. All right, that's power steering pump. And you got your cap, and you take off your cap, okay? You take off your cap, you're going to wipe it off, okay? And while we wipe it off here, we're going to take a look at these markings here, okay? See if we can get a good visual on this here. You'll have your, that's upside down. It's for left-handed users only. All right, you have your full hot, which is the mark right there. And then you have your full cold down here. There's usually a notch here somewhere, so we gotta find the notch. There's the notch, okay? And that's your full cold. You see it there? I usually check mine when it's cold, but if you check it while it's hot, just go ahead and run the engine. You're driving somewhere, turn it off and wait 5 minutes and check it for full hot, okay? You just dip it in there. Don't do it while the engine's running. That's dangerous. You can get your fingers cut by the belts, or it could just rip your whole arm off. But anyway, you're gonna make sure the engine's off and it's hot, and wait about 5 minutes, and you're gonna check, and you'll see that the mark should be somewhere here. If not, you need to add. But for cold, that's how I check it, is you're gonna dip it in right now, and I'm gonna dip it in right now and see where we're at, okay? And that's where you wanna be at this mark right here. Okay, all the way in, completely secured. Then take it back off. Now we're going to see what we have here. Okay. Look. Oh, we're definitely in good shape for cold there. So you can see the cold mark is right there, and we're just a little bit over. So that's good. We're good. We're all right. No big deal. But there it is. And that's all you got to do, folks. Then wipe it off again. Okay. And put it back in. Just so you can see it like it normally was, like the steering wheel is on the top here. So if you have a marking that says power steering fluid, and when you took it out, it was written power steering fluid right here, you just want to put it back in the same way, because you can put it back in upside down. Just move it around till you can get it to, you can lock it in place where it's right side up. Okay, that's it, folks. Good luck. God bless. Works for me.